Location: East Java. Fire type: active volcano. Sunrise over mountains known for sunrise views and sea of sand. Location: Lombok Island, West Nusa Tenggara. Fire type: active volcano. Sunrise over mountains height: 3,726 meters. Location: Yogyakarta and Central Java. Fire type: very active volcano. Sunrise over mountains famous for frequent eruptions. Location: Bali. Fire type: active volcano. Sunrise over mountains tallest mountain in Bali. Location: East Java. Fire type: active volcano. Sunrise over mountains highest mountain in Java Island, 3,676 m. Location: Sumatra, Kerinci Seblat National Park. Sunrise over mountains tallest mountain in Sumatra, 3,805 m.